Hey guys, welcome back to She Is My Role. I haven't straightened my hair since like before COVID. That's sad. I haven't been counting down my mom's days or nothing. But yeah, that's the last time I straightened my hair, and I decided to wash my hair to make sure it's out of oils and whatever products I do use in my hair. Nothing in it. I just shampoo and condition, and that's about it. I use raw shampoo. You can find it at local Walgreens. Let's get into straightening my hair. You guys have seen me straighten my hair before. I have no idea where that roller brush is, so we're gonna try something new. Today we are going to try Be Kind Anion. Ooh, oh, red is my favorite color. This packaging is gorgeous to me. It also comes with this bag, which is great for after use, not have somewhere to put it because I'm running out of space for my styling supplies. Ironic, because gray and red is my favorite color, and how is it that this bag has both of my favorite colors? They also have wooden brushes, so that's something to know. Oh, I always wanted to try one of these. I feel like a little kid at the candy store. I honestly never had a straightening brush that comes with this glove for you not to get burned. That's great news because I'm always burning myself. Oh, it comes with this brush. That's good. It comes with this clipper. Nice, nice. Is this a scrunchie? I feel like there's everything in this bag that I don't even need to look around for things, which I'm excited. Yes, it comes with a scrunchie. This makes straightening my hair a piece of cake since I haven't done it in so long either. Oh, it has a bunch of scrunchies. Wow, I feel blessed. Look at all these goodies. I feel like it keeps going and going and going. Oh, how cute are these bobby pins? They come in these rainbow pastel colors. Super, super cute. With this, I want to honestly say I have no idea what this is, but I'm pretty sure it's good for your hair. Let's see the directions. I'm gonna read it to you guys. Anion Scroll Quick Guide. The revolutionary, easy to use interface. It has this little scrolling button here, and a single click when the brush is off, turn on. Scrolling, change the temperature, auto lock in 3 seconds. Single click when the machine is locked, unlock. Long press, turn off. Okay, that sounds pretty good. I'll peel this plastic before using. So we're gonna peel it off. My vanity actually has an outlet. We're gonna plug this into my vanity. Let's see how it goes. I think I have it on. It's digital. I am so silly. It's digital. As you see here, it's going up and down, so it is getting hot. I'm gonna try to do 300. I haven't done my hair. Ooh, it got to 305. I haven't done my hair in super long, so I don't want anything higher. And yeah, I'm scared. I'm always scared in these videos, guys. I feel like I'm gonna need a bigger portion. I feel like you're not gonna see a difference with this, so I'm gonna take some more out. I haven't straightened all of it. I just actually figured out how to make it higher. So you scroll up. I think it goes, it's going, let's see. I think it goes up to 4 something at 450. I'm scared to go any higher because it just looks like a big poofy. It's like straightening it, but I kind of want like a silky touch, so let's see if that works now. I guess it depends on your hair texture. I'm like a 4C curly type. This is what I wanted. I had to go all the way to 450 to get this kind of result. Oh, so much of a difference from before. Look at this and this. That and that. Once I'm done with this, I'll go back to this side and I'll show you guys how I break it down. So I'm back and woo, look at this baby. Now let's do the left side. See how it's getting a little puff there? I come back with this from an angle, and I really put it flat and then straighten it down. There you go. Now it's flat as I want it to be. I'm halfway through. This is halfway done. I'll be back when I'm completely finished. And voila, this is the final look. And this is without any products in my hair, just a brush. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Yeah. Until next time, bye chica. Mwah.